Today, I'll reveal the perfect recipe for baked sea bream fillets, a succulent yet light dish that enhances the delicate flavor of this exquisite fish. Ingredients: 4 sea bream fillets, each weighing about 200 grams, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, the juice of half a lemon, 2 cloves of garlic, finely chopped, salt and pepper, fresh aromatic herbs such as thyme, rosemary, and parsley to taste, a thinly sliced ripe tomato, this is optional, and pitted black olives also optional. To prepare, preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Then, arrange the fillets in a baking tray lined with parchment paper, skin side down if present. In a bowl, mix the olive oil with the lemon juice, the chopped garlic, salt, and pepper, and then brush the fillets with this marinade. Sprinkle the chopped aromatic herbs over the fillets as desired. If preferred, add the slices of tomato and black olives to the dish. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes or until the fish is cooked through and flakes easily with a fork. To stay up to date with the latest healthy and delicious recipes, subscribe to the channel and visit our website. Once cooked, enjoy your baked sea bream fillets and bon appetit! Baked sea bream is a Mediterranean dish that pleases the palate with its firm flesh and delicate flavor, enhanced by herbs and garlic. A culinary experience that recalls the sea breeze and the scents of the garden.